Every household has a fan that rotates its head from side to side on a fixed base to distribute air across a wider area. Unlike stationary fans that blow air in a single fixed direction, oscillating models typically sweep through an arc, often 75 degrees to 90 degrees, to create more uniform airflow throughout a room. An oscillating fan uses a single motor to both spin the blades and drive a side-to-side sweeping motion through a series of mechanical reductions. The main motor shaft has a spiral thread called a worm, located behind the fan blades. As the motor spins at high speed, this worm rotates with it, engaging a perpendicular worm gear inside a gearbox, the clutch mechanism known as the pull pin. When you press the oscillation pin down, you engage a secondary set of gears. This works in two states. Lock state: pressing the pin allows a spring-loaded mechanism, often using small ball bearings to lock the worm gear's rotation to a central axle. Free state: pulling the pin up disengages these gears, allowing the motor to spin the blades without turning the oscillation machinery. This pull pin passes the motion through another set of gears to slow it down further. The goal is to take the motor's high-speed rotation and turn it into a very slow rotation of a final crank wheel, typically only a few revolutions per minute. The gear spins, but the back and forth motion of the fan is achieved through a mechanism called the 4-bar linkage. A 4-bar linkage is the simplest and most common way to transform motion in machinery. It consists of 4 rigid bars, connected in a loop by 4 joints, typically allowing for 1 degree of freedom motion, meaning moving just one bar forces all others to follow a predictable path. The 4 key parts are: frame, the base of the machine that stays stationary; crank, the link that can rotate a full 360 degrees, usually the input connected to a motor; rocker, a link that only swings back and forth like a pendulum rather than making a full circle; coupler, the floating link that connects the crank to the rocker, transmitting motion across the gap. Same mechanism works in the fan as well. In fan, the final rotating gear is connected to a crank arm, which is part of a 4-bar mechanism. Crank, a short metal bar attached to the rotating gear. Connecting rod, a longer bar attached to the crank at one end, and a fixed point on the fan's base at the other. As the crank makes a full circle, the rod pushes and pulls the entire fan head. Because the rod is anchored to the stationary base, the fan head is forced to pivot back and forth on its neck. Finally, this setup converts continuous circular motion into reciprocating angular motion. The length of the crank arm determines the sweep angle, usually between 60 degrees and 120 degrees, defining how far the fan oscillates from side to side.